What's up guys, Chatter Reviews back with another unboxing, and today we'll be unboxing the Logitech G203 gaming mouse. So as you can see on the back of the box, this mouse goes up to 8000 DPI, has 6 programmable buttons, and utilizes Logitech's LightSync technology in order to sync your mouse's RGB coloring to whatever game you're running. Inside the box, apart from the mouse itself, there just remains the manual for the mouse, along with the Logitech sticker. Now onto the mouse itself, the first thing I noticed was how clicky the mouse was. So what I mean by clicky is that the click sounds are a hard click sound, unlike some of the softer clicks that you might find on more casual mouses. Even when compared to my Logitech G700S, it's a noticeably harder click sound. When first palming the mouse, I noticed that it was very shallow, which forced me to use a claw grip. You could force a palm grip if you had smaller hands or if you slid your hands back a bit, but generally that didn't feel really comfortable. The rest of the buttons on the mouse felt equally as clicky as the left and right click buttons, except for the 2 side buttons which felt a bit softer. Here I plug in the mouse to show off some of the RGB capabilities it has. Oops. Overall, the mouse feels quite smooth and quite at ease to use. The scroll wheel feels like a typical scroll wheel with no infinite scroll, which is to be expected. Here's a closer look at the mouse in case you wanted to see any particular details about it. Overall, the Logitech G203 feels like a solid gaming mouse at its price point. I personally bought mine on sale for 25 Canadian. It retails on Amazon for $50 Canadian and $40 American, but seems to regularly go on sale for $40 and $30 Canadian American respectively. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you enjoy my content, I really appreciate it if you consider subscribing. Thanks again, and see you next time.